Cut of all the cuts that has ever been cut in the cutting cuts. This time, not only do we have YouTube user, but we also have a Panzoid user.
For the I don't know how much time. Is this a joke?
Cubbage Brothers and Diego Brothers.
Oh, we're both here because B and A is going to watch brand new Disney series called Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus, with Sonic Origins Pictures, Cubbage Animation Group, and Warner Nature. Sorry we don't have the footage because of copyright reasons from Disney.
Oh God, he's about to explode again.
No, 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 no.